What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Deepan, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to lace your Vans like this with a loose fit, like this. And this, in my opinion, is the best way you can lace your Vans, like with the most drip. And I know the shoe is cheap, it is a basic shoe and I do use it as a beta crep. However, that does not necessarily mean that it can't be a fire shoe with a nice outfit, like for real. But I do not want to see people tying it with some fat loops, because they're just, with the big bunny ears, it just doesn't, in my opinion, just doesn't look good. So if you have a pair of Vans and you want to know how to tie it the best way with a loose fit like this, unlaced, make sure your feet can breathe, etc, etc, stay tuned.
I just left Houston, I just left Earth, lean in my car, gas in my blunt, got some hoes who gon' fuck.
Alright, so first things first, all you got to do is make sure that your laces are fully undone and that you have the one bar there where the laces that come from the outside in. Then what you're going to do is make sure that your laces are even at the top, because if they're not even, it's going to look really stupid and you just don't want that. Alright, so get the right lace and you're going to go from the outside hole. You're going to push the end of the lace from the outside and pull it through the inside like that, and making sure there's no twists, because the twists are a big pain. I'm telling you, they are a big pain. But yeah, going from the outside. Then move that out of the way and you're going to grab the other lace, and you see the end, you're going to push it through the outside hole again, just like you did on the other side. So you're going to push it from the outside and then pull it through from the inside, again making sure that there are no twists. Right, now you're going to grab the other lace again, and you know what to do. You're going to push it from the outside and then pull it from the in, making sure there's no twists. Once you've done that, all you're going to do is grab the other lace yet again, push the end through the outside and pull from the inside. And then also you just want to be readjusting it and making sure like it's a little bit more loose and not too tight. Yeah, now it's really simple, guys. All you got to do is just repeat that process until you get to the second hole to the top. However, do not go to the top. Right, this is the final step. Once you're at the top, but not once you're at the second hole to the top, you're going to grab the lace, and instead of going from the outside, you're going to push it through the inside hole to complete it. So that's instead of going from the outside that you've been doing before, on the last hole, you bring it across and you just make sure to push it through the inside so that it allows it to get this nice little overhang and the loose look. Because if you do it from the outside, you're not going to be able to see the laces, which is the whole part of the look. So yeah, make sure you're going from the inside out on the last hole. And then also you've got to be readjusting it as well, making it a little bit more loose. But yeah, and just, if it is easier, just put your foot in it and do it, and follow these steps. That's going to wrap up for today's video. If you did enjoy my tutorial on how to lace your Vans the best way, make sure you hit that subscribe button to also see more content, and make sure you also hit that notification bell next to it so that if I post anything you do not miss out. But for now guys, peace, I'll see you in a bit.